February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, Paula?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, one. Okay. Let me see. All right, I'll give you the remote. And you choose the correct word.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Monica. All right. Okay, the remote is yours. December is a month, okay? That's Thanksgiving. Break. Holiday. And that is a calendar. Okay, now, okay, I'll stop the remote. Let me stop the remote. The Christmas is December 25th. Okay, Thanksgiving is in November. What other holidays do you know that we celebrate here in the United States?
July 4th.
July 4th, okay. What about the upcoming? The upcoming celebration, the upcoming holiday, this January.
Oh, okay, okay. January.
What holiday is that?
Teacher, I don't know.
Independence Day?
January 1. Happy New Year. Oh, New Year. Happy New Year. January 1.
January 1?
January.
The holiday. That is New Year's Day.
Yes, you're right.
New Year. Okay. Welcome 2023. What about in February? What holiday is what other holiday do you know that we celebrate?
Father's Day, Mother's Day.
Okay. Do you know of any holiday that we celebrate in February, Paula?
San Valentine.
San Valentine.
San Valentine.
San Valentine, yes.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's
Day is a holiday.
It's not a holiday.
Right, not holiday. It's a holiday.
No, in February no have holiday.
In Colombia.
Columbus Day.
No, Colombia no.
Teacher, in January.
In Colombia, Barranquilla, my city, Carnaval.
Mm-hmm.
4 days.
All days in Barranquilla is Carnival.
Well, we are not talking of your country. We are talking of the holidays that we celebrate here in the United States. Okay.
Oh, okay.
In the Philippines, we have so many holidays. You know, we are here in the United States. We don't celebrate that. Okay, but here, very few. Okay. The same. Okay. When regards to religion, they don't celebrate it here. All right. Except Christmas and New Year. But the Annunciation, they don't. Okay? So we need to know the holidays that are being celebrated here in the United States. Okay? All right. Now,
the Day of Independence.
Independence Day is
For July. Yes.
July is Independence Day. That is a big celebration. Thanksgiving is a big celebration. Columbus Day is a big Veterans Day. We celebrate Veterans Day here.
And Martin Luther King Day too, right?
Yeah, Martin Luther King Day.
February in USA, President Day.
That's it.
February 20.
That is what I'm asking. All right. What are the holidays that we celebrate? In January, it is what? It is New Year. It's a holiday. No school. Okay. In February, that is President's Day. All right. All right. So we need to know. Okay. And then here you listen.
November is my favorite month. It's a very busy month. My wife's birthday is in November. My daughter's birthday is in November too. There's also a holiday in November, Thanksgiving. It's a long weekend. I can't wait.
All right. Here, in April, they don't celebrate Lenten season. Okay. No Lenten season. No Good Friday. The Good Friday here they don't celebrate it. It's not a holiday for them. Okay, only Catholics celebrate it. All right, okay. Actually, we did this already, and we have to practice. This is it. This is July. All right.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd,
How are you saying that?
23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th,
Hi,
29th,
Good evening.
30th, 31st.
Okay, these are your ordinal numbers. Okay, you have there the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. These are your ordinal numbers. Ordinal. Okay, ordinal numbers. These are your ordinal numbers. Okay, you have what? You start with the first, okay? All right, you have the first. You have read the first, right? And then so on and so forth. Okay, these are your ordinal numbers. Ordinal. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, these are your ordinal numbers. And this is the second. All right. And then you have the third. And then you have the fourth. Okay. All right. And so on and so forth. Okay, these are your ordinal. Your cardinal numbers, your cardinal numbers. Your cardinal numbers are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc., etc. Those are your cardinal numbers. And your ordinal numbers order is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, kindly read them again. Okay, Yesenia. Teacher? Okay, read your ordinal number from 1st up to 31st. First.
First. Second.
Mm-hmm.
Third.
You have, okay, you have the
First.
first,
Third.
Second. Third.
third,
Repeat.
Third.
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 mm-hmm.
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fifth.
Fifth.
Sixth.
Sixth.
Seventh.
Seventh.
Eighth.
Eighth.
Ninth.
Ninth.
Third.
Third.
10th.
10th.
11th.
11th.
12th.
12th.
13th.
13th.
14th.
14th.
15th.
15th.
16th.
16th.
17th.
17th.
18th.
18th.
19th.
19th.
20th.
20th.
21st.
21st.
This becomes F, okay? Fifth, and you add TH. You change V to F and add TH. Alright? The first, of course, the 1 is first. The 2 is second. And the third is, the 3 is third. Of course, 4, you add TH to fourth, okay? The rest are easy. 20th, you add T. Okay, so you need to write your ordinal numbers. This is the difference, in order, which come first, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? And the cardinals are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But the order is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? Alright, Juan?
21st. 22nd.
Yes, teacher.
23rd.
Start the blue roll.
24th.
Okay.
25th. 26th.
Okay, continue.
27th. 28th. 29th. 30th. 31st.
Okay, start from the very beginning. First.
First. Second.
Mm-hmm.
Third.
Okay.
Fourth.
Alright.
Fifth.
Uh-huh.
Sixth.
Alright.
Seventh.
Okay.
Eighth.
Uh-huh.
Ninth.
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 Uh-huh.
Tenth.
Huh?
Tenth.
But 10 is 10.
10th.
Tenth. Tenth. 21st.
No, 10. What is next to 10?
10. 10.
11th.
11.
12th.
Listen.
12.
12th.
13.
13th.
14.
14th.
15. 16. 17. 18. 19.
Okay, I cannot hear you
20.
what. You are saying the cardinal. 16, 17, no. It is 16th, 17th,
16.
18th,
Yeah.
19th. I need to hear the TH sound.
Yeah. 17.
Uh-huh.
18.
Alright.
19.
Okay.
20th.
Okay.
21st.
Alright.
22nd.
Alright.
23rd.
Alright.
24th.
Okay.
25th.
Okay.
26th.
Alright.
27th.
Alright.
28th.
Alright.
29th.
Okay.
30th.
Okay, good.
31st.
And that's it.
32nd. 33. 34. 35th.
Okay. Loco, loco. Yan ang loco, loco.